Welcome to another update on tropical cyclone Idai. We find a force 13. Mateo France La Reunion has the 10-minute winds, 140 kilometres an hour, and I think gusting at 195. Central pressure is 970 millibars and is 19.2 degrees south, 40.2 degrees east. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre have it at 19.3 degrees south, 40.2 degrees east. Now here's the Mateo France La Reunion's track chart on the system, and since our last update, which was done by Nathan, the overall scene isn't good for the people in the cyclone's path. Now here's a look at a couple of tracks. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has the tropical cyclone 18S about 174 nautical miles north of Europa Island, tracking west-southwest at 5 knots. And this is over the last 6 hours. The convective structure tropical cyclone 18S has degraded slightly over the last several hours. Now this is the life of the cyclone. Evidence of dry air intrusion resulting in a discontinuous and ragged eye wall. The initial position is based with good confidence, based on the eye in the enhanced infrared satellite imagery. Agency VOAC estimates ranging from T5 to T5.5, together with the ragged eye, support a slightly lower initial intensity of 95 knots. The environment remains favourable, low vertical wind shear, warm sea surface temperatures 28 to 29 Celsius. However, the presence of dry air from surrounding land masses, somewhat limited outflow, acting to constrain the intensification. Here's the centre's current track chart. The system is forecast to continue tracking towards west-southwest then west around a subtropical ridge while maintaining its current intensity with slight re-intensification to 100 knots prior to landfall around the 72-hour mark. The total precipitable water, the scale is on the right hand side of the screen. And after the 72-hour mark, rapid weakening should commence with the dissipation by the 96-hour mark. There is high confidence in the centre's track forecast through landfall, with low confidence thereafter as numerical model guidance diverges on the track of the Wedmont low, and wave height is 35 feet. This is the total precipitation. It's a GFS model, and it's being sourced from the Pivotal Weather website. The 24-hour shear tendency, the cyclone is in very favourable conditions. Upper level divergence is only around 30 knots or lower. And one of my favourite, the 850 millibar vorticity. You can clearly see where the cyclone is located. And finally, in this update, look at a couple of models. We will continue to bring the latest information to you.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com. You can also find our YouTube channel. If you're not there already, you may well be. Good chance of that. Subscribe if you haven't. You can also find our Facebook page, search Force 13 all in text, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 on there. You can also help the project become even better by becoming a patron. You can see more information about all the benefits involved by visiting patreon.com/Force13. Of course, you can come into direct contact with us by messaging Fool13 on Discord at extension 9094 and Force13 on Skype. And our partners are also doing updates, Mateo e Cyclone Maurice on Facebook.